Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. Please subscribe to our channel. You know, we try to get people in the context of parenting to cooperate with the parenting time. Sometimes the child is with mom, sometimes the child is with dad. There should be an arrangement going on where somebody picks up the child, has the child, then brings the child back, somebody else picks up the child. In most cases, it'll work fine. Every now and then you got a situation where, let's say, dad will bring the child to mom, mom doesn't want to give the child back, or vice versa. You know, we're coming up on Christmas and New Year's. We're going to get this call a lot. I sent my kid to Florida to be with my ex. He won't send it back. We get that call all the time. People think that somehow they're going to be smart and they're going to hold on to the child. Well, let me tell you what's going to happen if somebody does that. The attorney is going to get involved. He's going to file a motion with the court for immediate return of the child and for sanctions. Sanction means attorney fees or whatever else the court deems appropriate. So the court, if you violate that order and hold that kid, the court is going to, number one, order that the kid come back. Number two, probably order you to pay the attorney fees to the other side. Number three, probably limit some of your rights because you're taking liberties that you're not entitled to. You have to understand, the way the court looks at it, even if you think you're justified, when you violate the court's order, that's your way of telling the judge, step aside, young man, I'm making the call from now on. And the court does not like that. One thing the courts really are jealous of and protective of is the ego of the court, okay? So when the judge gives an order, he expects it to be followed. When some judge issues a directive, she expects that the parties are going to follow that directive. And I'll tell you, if you don't follow it, expect that there will be consequences. Now you might say, well, I had to keep the kid. The kid was sick, couldn't put him on an airplane. All right, but there's a way to handle that. You tell the other side, you're transparent about it, you do things. I couldn't send my kid back because he alleges abuse. Well, if that's the case, you file police reports, you get CPS involved, you file a motion to suspend the parenting time, you do something. But the whole self-help thing is not going to work, and it's going to create a scenario where you really look like you're just trying to circumvent the court's order. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.